I am loving it. Dude, there is a ton of clearance underneath. Okay guys, I hope I don't fail this. Wow. That is on the money. Okay. Now, they do come with ramps that are bigger than this. And so I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes. But guys, yeah. GARVEE. The hydraulics that I've got right below. All right, so I'm gonna turn this to the right all the way until it's nice and tight. You're gonna take this, put it in there. We're gonna pump this up, okay? So it's gonna start moving up here. There it is. You can start to see it moving. Okay, I went up about an inch or so, and then I'm gonna go do the other side. Okay, and you gotta make sure this is turned to the right as well. Dude, this is nice. Like, it's moving. Now, I'm gonna go up a little bit more. There we go. Okay, so now that's in place. We're good to go on that. For this one, I'm just gonna go ahead and just stick it right there for now. Okay, but guys, it's up. I've got a lot of clearance. Like, I've got a tape measure. The tires are 13.5 inches above 13.5 inches high, guys. That's freaking, yeah. It's about 13.5, at least 13 inches on that side. Jack this up a little more. Guys, same thing here, 13.5 inches. Take these, do not put your hands under that. Keep your hands on this side for safety. Okay. This one here, I'm just gonna go ahead and set it right there. But yeah, it's at 13. I am loving it. Dude, there is a ton of clearance underneath. All right, guys, we're gonna put this back down. So I'm just gonna pull these out. Pull these out. All you gotta do to make it go down, turn this left a little bit, nice and slow. You can see how it's moving. Okay, we're gonna go do the other side. Gotta pop the pins out. Pop the pins out. Now you let it down, turning it left to loose. Watch, it's gonna drop. Nice and slow, slow and steady. All right, that's all the way down. We're gonna do this side as well. All the way out, just like that, guys. Now she's back down. That's it, over and out. Thumbs up. Guys, there's 1,000 ways to die in this world, and being under the vehicle is not one of them, okay? So, you know what, let's give it a shake test. This is the GARVEE hydraulics ramp. Looks pretty solid, actually. thumbs up, guys. Check that out. It's still intact. Right here, guys. Check that out. Okay, it's got that little silver switch there, and that turns it on. It's not going to catch onto anything. It's actually really flush, as you can tell right here. So I would recommend the Fumoto valve. Makes life a lot easier. I already took off the oil filter, and today I'm going to use Wix, W-I-X filter. Just about got done here. It's pretty brown, probably about 4,000 to 5,000 miles. Not quite 5,000, probably closer to 4,500 miles. Looks pretty dark, but not horribly bad. I do a lot of freeway driving. But guys, I am gonna use this. Okay, it says good for 20,000 miles. I would never go more than 5,000 to 7,000 miles max, guys, max. And again, I'm using GARVEE hydraulic lift. I am loving it. We're gonna use, I've got options. I've got this. All right, guys, so today I'm gonna use the Motul 5W30, and it's got this little cool spout, guys. Kind of neat, okay? So anyways, it's just about done. It's still dripping a little bit. So to close it, all I do is flip the switch, okay? I flip the switch, it's good to go. Give it a quick wipe down. That's the oil. Looks pretty dirty. I put the Wix filter on. Looks good. Don't over tighten it. Again, Fumoto valve, loving it. I use it for all my vehicles. And we're gonna go ahead and fill it in from the top, about 5 quarts, and see where it's at. Check the dipstick on that level floor. All right, there she goes. Let's see how well this thing works. Kind of curious. If you guys ever used Motul before, let me know how it works out for you guys. This might be my first time using it, to be honest, but it's got good reviews. We'll see how it works. It's 5 quarts right there. I'm gonna go ahead and check, see where it's at. And if I need to, I'll add more. Give it a thumbs up, guys.